Hello, welcome to KTA Quick and Order Recipes. I'm Chef Maka, and today we're going to make
herb roasted beef tenderloin with red wine jus. Let's do this. Rub beef with oil, then season with salt and pepper. In a medium bowl, combine parsley, thyme, rosemary, and garlic to create a mixture. Roll the beef in the garlic and herbs. Place chopped onions, carrots, celery on a baking pan. Place beef on top of the vegetables and roast in the oven for about 350 degrees for about 45 minutes until the internal temperature reaches about 110 degrees. Remove beef and place pan of vegetables on the stove on a medium-high heat. Add red wine and reduce by half. Then add beef stock and reduce by another half. Drain liquid and place into small pot and whisk in butter. Slice beef and serve with the red wine jus. Thank you. Bye-bye. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes. Mahalos.